Hey, it's Tristan here from ZebraInvest, and I'm just in the Golden Triangle. I've been up to Carnarvon Road, which is a property where we bought two properties at the same time, and we've just been refurbishing the front property. I've just met up with the plumber, so he's just giving us a quote to fit 4 bathrooms inside. But I thought you might like to come take a look around, see what we've been up to, and get 1 or 2 little hints and tips with what you can do and to make your life a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do, I will turn you around and I'll walk you around and I'll explain what we'll be up to. So welcome in. You can see here we have got endless furniture delivered here, and we got it delivered direct from the manufacturers. So we've got Burley and LPG furniture in here. The thing that we've got here, we've got a nice little thing up there, nice little lampshade, but you've just got curtains that have gone in. The one thing that we've done a little bit different, you'll be able to see through the whole place, is we've removed the light switches where they were and then moved them here. But that doesn't look like any normal light switch. So these light switches are powered by you pushing the button, and it sends a remote signal into the light, above the light, which allows it to turn on and off. So it means you can move a whole switch to another wall without having to do all the chasing. You can see we haven't got any new chasing, anything else in the walls. And that's all moved, and it means you can move everything across quite easily without spending a huge amount of money. So then you come in here, we've just had some of the carpets laid down here, courtesy of Mark. So they've got like a 15-year warranty on them. And then this is the dining room. Sorry, I've got the camera not set up, but we've put in a new kind of like industrial style light, which is quite nice. And then we needed a little bit more storage just for the kitchen. So what we've done is if you take wall units, they're half the depth, so 300 depth. And then we then slab them and edge them, so you end up with the equivalent of 2 500mm depth wall units for storage. And what we're going to do above here, we're going to put a neat little bit of work surface on the top of it, and then we'll put a flat screen TV above, so it ends up almost being like the TV console for it. So you've got that, and then you can see just in here, we've got the kitchen. So we had a bit of a damp issue, which we've sorted out. Had a new fridge delivered, we've got the dishwasher, washer dryer down there, and again we've done a fair bit. I say we've done a fair bit, Mike's done a fair bit of work there. And then as we go upstairs, I'll show you up. We have been busy. So here what we've done is put a new bathroom in. And why on earth would you put a new bathroom in, Tristan? So here you can see we have another bedroom. Nice little room, it's got a really beautiful set of Juliet balcony just looking outside. But what it's got is we've taken the old doors, cut them in half and put them in here to create a nice little headboard. But it's all moved across just by about 8-9 inches, which makes this room 6.51 square metres, which is HMO compliant. So you can see here, we've got in the bathroom, it's a little bit of I won't turn you around, there you go. And then you've got a touch heat mist mirror, tiled and everything else in there. And here again, you see we moved the light switch. Again, you've got a really nice size, decent sized room in here. Just really ready kind of for furniture. And then, this has just been where we've got a fair bit of kind of products and stuff all kind of going on. And if you look in the front back here, this is the kind of main bedroom. We did have a leak on the roof. So we've got the scaffolding up at the moment, and that's so then they can get up and basically they're going to take the tiles off, refelt it, and then stop any leaks or anything else in future. And then what we've also done in here, we can see we've put in new lino floors, we've also hardboard the floors, and the idea being that with that done, if there's any leaks or anything else, they're not going to go through to the ceiling below. So, there you go. That's a bit of a whirlwind tour of 72 Carnarvon, you can see. But it's all starting to come together, and hopefully we're going to be assembling summer furniture this weekend, but we should be able to start putting it on the market for rent from next week. And then we're going to get the whole place finished in about a week and a half's time. So hopefully you like this and you've enjoyed it and seeing around the project and what we're up to. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know. Cheers!